talk about how you can monetize your blog. Now, unless you're out to change the world or creating a blog out of the goodness of your heart, you're going to want to monetize it. You need obviously to earn a living, to pay your bills and support your family. Now, there's a lot of different ways of monetizing a blog. You can use CPA adverts and affiliate programs. Now, you'll find information in the bonus video section. There's some bonus videos that will show you exactly how to set up a ClickBank account, a Max Bounty account and a Commission Junction account. All of these are very, very good places to find affiliate programs and to find other ways of monetizing your blog. But in this video, we're really going to talk about AdSense. AdSense is a fantastic way of monetizing blogs. It's a great way to earn a passive income and is very, very popular. And depending on your blog topic, you can earn several dollars a click. I mean, you can earn anything from a cent or two upwards, really. But there's a lot of potential there. So let us find an AdSense plugin. Now, if we search for AdSense plugin WordPress, you can see there's a few here. And one of the ones that I use is the AdSense Manager. So we click on that link. And then obviously you download it, upload it to your server, and then we'll talk about configuring it. So download it now, upload it to your plugins directory, and then come back to the video and let's talk about exactly how you configure it. Now, back in our plugins directory, there it is at the bottom. Let's click on activate. Give it a moment just to catch up with the rest of us. There you are. You see now we have an active. Now, it's detected a previous installation of AdSense Deluxe. That was something I installed on here earlier on when I was testing AdSense plugins. I don't want to import anything. I want it just to use its own settings. So again, and there you are. See, look at that. Isn't that nice of it? It takes you straight to a new setting. There you are. Look at this. It installs on. You can use all these different adverts really, really easily. Now, doesn't that make your life so much easier? So that's very good. Now, what we're going to do is I'm now going to talk to you about exactly how you install and create adverts using this. Okay, so what you can do is go to your AdSense control panel, create an advert, and copy and paste it in here. Now, if I click on this button here, import to new ad unit, it brings up another window for us. Now, here you are. So it shows us the format here. So we can look at what the format is. You can change the format, you can change the type of advert, you can change the colors to whatever you want, and then there's other settings over here which we're not going to concern ourselves with too much. But basically what you need to do is create adverts for all the different sizes you want. So you may want skyscrapers, small ones, large ones, create different versions. Then we click on Save Changes. Okay, and it brings you through here, and you can see different types of adverts here. Now, the way you use these is if you're editing a template. So remember I showed you the templates and how you can edit the sidebar. What you can do is you can put the advert straight into the sidebar using this code here. Okay, where you put the name of the advert block. So it may be skyscraper, whatever you decided to call it, whatever this name here is, you put it in here and you copy and paste this bit here into your template where you want the adverts to appear. Now, if you're using putting it into a post, then what you do is you put this code here and here in, depending on whether you're using the default one or whether you're using one of the names. So you can certainly select, as I said, take the name from here and you put it in here and you type square bracket add hash and then the advert name and hash exactly where you want the advert to appear. It really is that simple. Now, if we look at create new ad, there's lots of options here to create other types of adverts down here. So you can create link units and referral units. It really does depend upon what you want to achieve from it. As I said, I can't tell you how to set up the adverts on your page. I can show you the technical side of it, but the actual adverts will depend upon your niche, will depend upon your website and what you really want to achieve. typically adverts are most effective above the fold, but make sure you read the Google Terms of Service, because for example you're only allowed 3 AdSense blocks per page. So if you set your page to have 10 posts on the front page and each post has AdSense block in, you violated Google's Terms of Services straight off. So that's one of the reasons why I only ever set it to show 2 or possibly 3 posts on the front page, simply because I'm not going to violate Google's terms. Now, you can use some of these other networks. It depends upon your content, your country, what you want to use. It really is up to you. But that's how you do it. As I said, if you look under the ads here, this here tells you exactly how you include it into your post. Okay, that's all you need to do. And then once you've done that, you have a website that is monetized, and as soon as you get a visitor and they come along and click on an ad, you've earned some money. It's as simple as that. Now, we're not going to talk about promoting your website in this course, but we are certainly going to show you exactly how to set your blog up for maximum effect. Now, that's what you need to do. So what I would say do now is go through, add the type of ads that you want to include, so whatever formats you want. Remember to blend them in. It's very important that your adverts look like a part of your website. If they stand out, they're going to scream advert and people aren't going to click on them. But if you can make the colors match the background and the format of your template, then what you'll find is you'll get much better result from your adverts. Okay, now I wanted to give you an example of a blog with nicely set up adverts, and here's one of them. Okay, now look over here on your left. You can see we're all above the fold here. This is the first thing you see when you come to the blog. Look, lovely adverts. Look, more lovely adverts. Isn't that nice? And there's a search feature in your RSS feed there. So that's, this is quite a nice way of setting up a blog. And you can see the adverts more or less blend in. So you can see the links here and here look like links. People are used to seeing this blue as a link to another web page. So the first thing people have seen here when they come to the page is some information, and there are some adverts. Now if I scroll down just slightly, you can see on the right hand side here, this in the template is an advert group. So you've got an advert group in the template that's blended in, and over here within each post, this is, remember the bit that you put in the square brackets? That's what this is here. This is a large rectangle, and it's included in each post. So every time the person that owns this blog makes a post, what they're doing is they're including that square bracket code in order to make an advert appear. So every post has an advert, and you can see here that there is only 2 posts. There's a slight bit of formatting there. That's a bit of a problem, but you can see there's only 2 posts, so there's only 3 Google blocks. You could certainly improve this website by putting a link group up the top here, maybe. That would certainly help people click through and get more clicks. So, but really, it's up to you how you configure and use your AdSense. You're going to have to experiment and find out what gets the best click-through rate. Typically, things that are above the fold get the better click-through rate. But if your blog's good content, people are going to go through, they're going to find more information. So it's going to work for you anyway. But set up your AdSense and start monetizing it. By all means, pop off now, go and have a look at the bonus videos and see the other ways of monetizing your blog, and think about how you can use those to help you make money from your blog. Remember, some of these affiliate programs can pay hundreds of dollars per sale, so potentially they're very, very worthwhile for you to promote. So that's it on AdSense and monetizing your blog for now.